Today we invite you on a shopping tour of Swiss stores for home furnishings that you can conveniently find near all the main cities across Switzerland. These stores offer various furniture styles, some home goods, and most importantly, they accommodate all budgets. We'll walk you through these brick and mortar stores to give you a feel of what each place offers. At the end, we'll present you with the best sellers and their price points across 3 popular categories: lights, sofas, and mirrors. All right, los Gehts. Let's start with Levique. Levique has an elevated style of furniture design without the over-the-top prices. Some locations even come with a bonus Lumimart store inside. It's a great store to shop for all types of furniture, including dining tables of various designs, couches, mattresses, closets, and office furniture. The furniture displays in the store are endless. They also have dishware and kitchen accessories, home textiles, candles, office and storage organizers, wall decor, and lots of lighting thanks to Lumimart. A fun but important fact that many people don't know is that most Swiss apartments do not come with light fixtures, so the bonus light shop in this Levique location is so convenient. At Levique, we found these best-selling items across the categories we promised to give you. Okay, next we made our way to Feaster, a brand within the Coop conglomerate. This retailer makes shopping easy at their one-stop shop storefronts. They serve both lower and higher end brands, and some even have an outlet floor where you'll find many home items on discount. Feaster also offers interior design services to help you design every room the way you want it. At Feaster, you can find furniture such as couches, dining tables, bed frames, mattresses, and entertainment stands. We also saw the most extensive floor of rugs we've ever seen. They have mirrors, artwork, bedding, lights, kitchen necessities like pots and pans, tableware, and bigger appliances like KitchenAids, and around the house decor. These are the best sellers we found at Feaster, and to highlight the price range this store carries, we are showing you 2 different lamp price points. Next on our tour is Mikasa Home. This store was created by a well-known Swiss conglomerate called Migros. Their objective with this store was to offer its customers their highly valued quality at reasonable prices. Mikasa Home is most popular for their customizable products such as closets, sofas, bed frames, and much more. An important note for first-time Swiss movers is that the majority of apartments here do not come with built-in closets. And there's nothing better than customizing a closet that fits perfectly in your space. Mikasa Home carries everything from living room and dining room furniture, to bedroom furniture and mattresses, to outdoor furniture, lighting, home storage, and some home decor items. The Mikasa Home storefront, conveniently located in Zurich City, always has their seasonal furniture out on display. Here are the Mikasa Home bestsellers that we found online. Last but certainly not least comes the highest end on our list of Swiss furniture stores, Bruno Vicart. They have 2 showrooms located in Zurich and Zug, which feature top-end furniture brands such as USM, Vitra, and designers such as Charles and Ray Eames and Le Corbusier. Here you can find in-house interior designers who can help you choose the perfect piece. At Bruno Vicart, you will find classic design pieces, unique furniture, and other decor accent pieces. Looking at some of the best sellers here, this store is definitely not the cheapest option, but you can be confident that what you buy here will be a timeless design that will last you forever. We hope that you enjoyed this video and found our info about the Swiss home furnishing stores useful. Check out our video linked here if you're interested in learning about secondhand shopping options in Switzerland. Please like this video, it helps us get to more people like you who are interested in Swiss living, and subscribe to our channel to see our upcoming home tours. Tschüss!